mysterious ticking noise. It's not there. It's kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus
Ron Weasley! Dumbledore!
Severus
Ron Weasley! Dumbledore!
Hermione, Severus Hermione,
Dumbledore!
Hermione, Hermione,
Ron
Hermione,
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter, Harry Potter, ooh, Harry Potter, Harry Potter,
Yeah, Harry Potter.
Hermione, Hermione,
Harry Potter,
Hermione,
Snape,
Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry,
Dumbledore!
Hermione,
Harry Potter.
I'm Harry Potter,
Dumbledore!
Hermione,
I'm
Harry
Harry
Potter,
Potter. Singing our song all day long at Hogwarts. I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb. Yay!
ha ha ha. Voldemort, 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 Voldemort. What is that, miss? I'm so sorry. Replay!
Dumbledore! You guys.
Now whenever
I must have
Way to go!
Source of a ticking. I messed up.
It's a
Are we in it if I